Alright, this video is a performance video. I'm going to perform my matrix here. I'm going to take the coins, have everything examined. You could have everything examined, of course. I'm just going to give the cards a little bit of a couple of shuffles and cuts. See if I can find the first ace. Just like that. First ace. Okay, give it a snap. And we find the second ace. Just like that. Magically appears. We take it and we find the third ace. It's kind of like a computer. You have to wind it up. And it's going to find the ace. Goes through searching and searching for the computer. So it rises up the ace. Just like that. That's the third ace. And the last ace is going to have you select out any card. Select out a card. That'll be the ace. Oh, that's not. That's a king, huh? So I'll just take the king. And I'll just give it a little wave like that. Tap. Changes. Like that. Now, do something with the aces. 4 aces for you. We're going to show you a little miracle here. Very awesome effect here with just the aces. Get rid of the deck. I'm going to just use the 4 aces and the 4 eagles, called the ace eagles. It calls ace eagles, right? I don't really know what's going to happen here, but I'm going to try a little experiment here. Okay, I'm just going to cover up the coins like so. I'm going to take the first one out invisibly. Okay, I remove it. Can you see it? It's invisible. I'm also going to remove the pip just by blowing on the card. See, the ace is gone and the coin is gone, but I just give it a little flick and it's vanished like that. Let's see where it went. It's not over here. It's not over here. Ah, there it is, right over there. Okay, right over there. Now, we'll do this again, even if nobody asks. Watch closely. There's 2 there. I'm going to take this coin out invisibly. Okay, remove it invisibly. And then just have you blow on the card. Thank you. You blow on the card and it's gone. Both the pips, and there it is. Now you can see that pips are truly gone. Both sides of the cards. Okay. Now we take the last one out invisibly. Just like that. Give a little flick. It's gone. Travels through there. Oops, I dropped it. Give it a snap. And lo and behold, hide behind. It's jumped all the way over there. Now, all the aces are gone, but what happened to the aces? Well, the birds are like a feather and they flock together. Then the aces are like the birds and they flock together as well, like that. And all the aces jump